I think he's done enough of Bollywood now. So that's why Imran Hashmi is heading towards Hollywood and already making all the noise. So are you ready for Hollywood?
You can never have enough of Bollywood, but yeah, there's always room for Hollywood. So
Imran, what was your first take? I mean, how different do you think it's going to be for you in Hollywood? Because Bollywood movies have a certain pattern. So आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है कि कितना अलग होने वाला है या?
There's no preconceived notion. It's just something I'm excited about. I don't see films that way. I see it as a story. I see it as a great character to play. It could be anywhere, and I'll have the same way of functioning for any industry that it could be.
Along with that, Imran, also supposedly Karan has signed it for 2 films. So
Is he? Yeah?
I don't know. You tell me.
I don't know. Is he?
No?
I'm doing Ungli right now.
Not anymore?
We'll find out. We'll make an announcement shortly, whenever that's happening.
You know, SRK is known as the king of romance and everything. And now that you are working with Karan Johar, so it's supposedly 3 films, Ungli being one of them.
3. From 2 there will come 3. Okay, fine.
Okay, maybe 2 films.
Okay.
Whatever.
All right.
And, so now tell me, I mean, maybe Imran Hashmi will now be soon known as the king of romance? Take over it?
I find these tags very frivolous and absurd. The thing is, when the problem is, if someone gets the tag, then people, you can't break that mold. Then you kind of boxed in that. I've played in the confines of that box for a very long time. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. For the past 7 to 8 years, and it was a hard time getting out of it. I don't know if I've completely got out of it. But it's just that you're an actor, and if you kind of just restrict yourself to a particular name or an identity or a mold, then it just kind of restricts you as far as the characters you play.
So soon, will Imran also plan to do like this film where you see men flying everywhere with one punch?
No. I think these guys are great at doing it. Right now, I don't think I'd be convincing enough to play something like that. And because it's been done so well by these guys, and it's clocked in the numbers and whatever, I don't want to be one of the bunch. I'd rather set a trend than follow one. And I know that even if I make an attempt to do it right now, probably there are 8 or 9 other actors who are attempting it. So I'll be last in line. I don't want to be there. I'd rather be first in every line that, and just kind of do things for the first time and kind of create a niche in that sense.
That's quite a statement. Imran, now that everything's working fine for you, you're doing commercial films. I remember at one point you said you don't know how you will be at doing the, the typical romance, the dance and routine, but you're doing a Karan Johar film. So none of that touch.
You're assuming things. You don't assume things about that.
I want to assume things. So tell me, will we see you doing that typical routine? No?
I don't think I would look right doing it, because my on-screen reputation precedes me. So I don't think I can do that, and the girl will fall into my lap. I'm generally the home wrecker.
There are a lot of parties that happen in Bollywood where there was this Karan Johar bash, the weddings. But Imran Hashmi, for a change, is either busy shooting or you don't make appearances and you don't socialize much.
No, I don't.
But they say it helps. So I mean,
yeah, I tend to, as much as possible. I mean, when I'm selling a film, I do whatever I have to do for it. But then I'm not very comfortable with the other aspect of filmy parties. I've never understood them. I don't know. So I don't really. I stay away from that. 2 halves of my lives. It's almost schizophrenic. There's an actor side, and when I have time off, I have this other part of my life which I need to give equal time to. I tend to try to, get both things, get them in equal spaces. But sometimes when I'm off the set, and then if I'm invited to a film party, I'd rather, just kind of, I take off, I travel, so invariably I don't end up attending film parties.
True enough. There you are. He's not satisfied. He likes being the home wrecker, and that's how Imran Hashmi is, unabashedly. Isn't it, Imran?
Yes, true.
Thank you so much. Rudrani Chaturaj with cameraman Kailash. Zoom.